Hey y'all, it's Sherrika, the DFW Realtor, and today I want to talk about one of the most important things you should do when you're considering buying a home. So one of the most important things you should do when you're considering buying a house is about 6 months before you're actually ready to move is apply for a loan. See where you stand. I say 6 months before you're actually ready to move because that'll give you enough time usually to prepare for any additional work on your credit you may need, or maybe you need to save a few more dollars. So usually 6 months is a pretty good time frame for that, but you'll need to apply again about 2 months before you're ready to move, because those pre-approvals are usually only good for 60 or 90 days depending on the lender. When you apply for the loan, you need to upload a copy of your driver's license and social security card, 30 days bank statements and pay stubs, or your 1099, your W-2s, and 2 years of tax returns. Understand, when you apply for that loan, the lender will get all in your business. Even throughout the process, when you go into underwriting, that's when they really dig in. You're asking to borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars. So they need to make sure you're capable of paying this money back. Some of us have problems borrowing $100 from friends or family without having to answer 1,000 questions. So it's not the same thing. So you can't say, you're going to give it to me or not. It don't work like that. So be prepared to answer additional questions, provide additional information outside of what you originally provided on the loan application. It's important that you discuss your max amount in the pre-approval phase early on before going out shopping for homes with your realtor, so you don't get out there and tell your realtor, oh, I'm approved for $400,000, or let's say $450,000. I'm approved for $450,000. Then you see a house that's $400,000 and you tell your agent, oh yes, I want this house, let's put an offer in on it. You submit the offer and you get it accepted. You send it over to the lender. Now they're working numbers in your option period. And I'll talk about the option period in another video. But they running numbers, tell you how much your mortgage will be monthly and how much you need to bring to closing. And now you can't hear no more. Now you need them to repeat it. How much you say I have to bring again? Oh, we ain't trying to do that. So to avoid that, talk about that early on with your lender when you're going over your loan application. Well, that is all I have for you today. I hope I was able to help someone with this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it. But I want to leave you with this last bit, and that's, don't let fear stop you from growing. If it costs you your peace, it costs too much, and we buying properties, not problems.